the second model in Toyota's BZ lineup of electric vehicles following the BZ4X, has been unveiled. The BZ3 is the product of a partnership between Toyota, BYD Company and FAW Toyota Motor, the latter of which will be in charge of the EV's manufacture and distribution in China. It was created specifically for the Chinese market. Built on Toyota's ETNGA platform, and fitted with BYD's Blade lithium iron phosphate LFP battery, the BZ3 offers a maximum cruising range of 600 kilometers based on the China Light Duty Vehicle Test Cycle, or CLTC. The BZ3 will feature a BYD-sourced TZ200XS002 electric motor on its front axle that offers either 245 PS or 184 PS. No acceleration times or top speed were provided, but expect sensible figures given these outputs. Thanks for watching, and leave your comments below.